this morning? I'm pretty good myself, feeling pretty good. Thankful that I woke up this morning. We just thankful today. Thankful Tuesday. Anyway, I just came in just saying hello to y'all. I'm headed to the workhouse. I actually stayed in a little bit longer today because, y'all, the temperature done dropped. It was 28 degrees. I said, wait a minute. I had the warm blue baby up for a minute. So I say, wait, we just gonna wait a little minute here. I had to go put my boots back on. Had to put my boots back on this morning. Anyway, I hope wherever y'all are, the weather is wonderful and nice. The sun is still shining. So, hey, you gotta take it all like you take it. Anyway, y'all have a wonderful day. This traffic is rolling. They say me rolling. They hating. Anyway, I'll get back with y'all later on today. Hey, y'all. I had to, it's 12 o'clock. I gotta be at the doctor's at 12:45. I'm at the bank right quick. Trying to get a few currents. Because the sister didn't have nothing but $1 in her purse, you know. And I operate on cash if I can. Just stop me from spending so much money. My lips dry. I might have to kiss somebody. Kiss myself. Yeah, I know I'm silly. You know, over here, they fixing on ATM over here. Fine, that ATM been down forever. I think somebody tried to break into it at this one. And you have to get them a code word. Child, I be forgetting my code word half the time for this darn thing here. Ooh. For this account, I stay forgetting what my darn code word is. I be having to think about it. Half the time, they have to give me a hint. Child, that don't even make no sense. Let me count my currents. I always count your currents before you leave the drive-thru. Oh, okay. That's correct. That is correct. That's the correct amount. That's what I'm talking about. Let me sign my receipt. I try to remember to put their pens back in the thing so I don't want to become a thief. A pen thief. A bank pen thief. Okay. Let's just get on with the get on. Let's get on down. Well, I guess it would help if I put my car in drive with it, yeah. Okay, ma'am, miss ma'am, put your car in drive already. Put your car in drive and put your seatbelt on. Jeez Louise, lady. Okay, so let me head on over. I gotta go to East Memphis to the doctor, which is a nice little drive. So I'm gonna hop on the expressway. Come on right there, Trey. I am sleepy, y'all, for some reason. Y'all, I got up this morning, honey. I told y'all that earlier, this morning. It was cold out here. I got some boots on today. These boots were made for walking, and that's just what I'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. Did y'all know? Do y'all know that song? Anyway, I'm gonna get off here because I ain't doing nothing but chit-chatting about a bunch of nothing. Oh, I thought they was gonna do something with this hotel. It used to be a Holiday Inn Express over here. I think that's what, yeah, it used to be a Holiday Inn Express. I thought they were gonna fix it up, but don't look like they gonna do nothing because they got a whole gate around it. Like, you hate when stuff go business, go out of business, and it just looks so such an eyesore on the community when they just leave it there like that, you know. And this is over here by the airport, and I noticed they don't really have a lot of hotels over here that are about nothing, you know. Not here anyway. Ooh, I done turned like I'm supposed to turn, and the car, look, the van behind me following me. Don't follow me, sir, because I'm doing wrong. Yeah, get on this expressway. It's the time of day. It ain't that bad of a traffic. Ain't that bad. Should be so many hot potholes in the roads. You stay hitting the roads. But I'm gonna get off here and concentrate on driving, y'all, because I want to be all in it. Oh, this is my coworker calling. Let me answer the phone, see what's going on. I done made it to the doctor's office, so I'll share with y'all when I get out of here. doctor's office. Ugh. Tainted love. That song was on the radio when I was getting ready to leave. Mm-hmm. I don't know why. I ate a little something for lunch, but it wasn't much. I had 4 little winglets, and yeah, I had some blackberries and an apple for breakfast. And I had the 4 little winglets because I knew I had to come to the doctor, so I had those. And I had some vegetables in there, but they were kind of soft, funny feeling. I had left them in there since last week. I thought they were still good, and they weren't. So that's why I ended up only eating the 4 little winglets. Little sister hungry. They getting their car washed. I really do need to have my car detailed. I got a thing I can go through the car wash, but it's the getting out part, kind of cleaning my car. If the weather's nice this weekend, I'll probably, and if I'm feeling pretty good, I'll probably go and do it myself. And just take my time. Because you know they had a free vacuum that I could take to spray. Because my dash look like a hot mess right now. Sir, don't come too far. Don't come too fast. Turning out at the light. It was only one car coming. But he looked like he wanted to put the pedal to the metal. Don't y'all be hating that when you be going and then they be speeding up. I know one thing, I don't know if it's just from the weather, but they need to fix all these potholes. These potholes are just terrible, especially one over there on, they need to do something, and somebody, I guess they made them get it up. They had put gravel on it, because there's some bad potholes like on the old Highway 78. And baby, somebody, like I said, had put that gravel down there on the thing, and it was down there one day, and I guess they made them get that stuff up, because there's some potholes, they bad there. But anyway, I would rather have a gravel road if it came to it than just all them darn potholes and tearing up your darn car. When you go through them, you know, if you don't brake in time and then you get through one set, here come another 1, 2, 3. I wonder why the snow and stuff mess it up, because it seems like every time it snows, they really get bad. That's what I said. And then you live up north, it's not the same case. So they really, what is this darn stuff made of down here? That they can't handle it, you know, anytime it gets kind of inclement weather, that once the weather is melted, you just be looking at the roads like, what in the world happened? But anyway, let me get off here. I might stop by. I need some gas. I'm sitting up here riding around like I got a tank full of gas. It's a Kroger over here on Kirby Parkway. Let me get over. Sir, I'm going to get over because I'm going to get some gas further down the road. When I get to the Kroger, I think I got like 30 cents off, and I need it. I need every dime I can get off of gas. So, yeah, I'm going to stop at Kroger and get some gas. Ain't no need to me. I said at first I was going to go to the one on Goodman Road, but I'm passing this one, so I may as well get it right here, over here. Let me get over. Let me get over. I ain't been over in this area in years. Well, I come down to the doctor, but I mean as far as, you know, I used to work over here, so we would come down here sometimes to X-Lines Pizza and eat. That's who had used to anyway. I don't know if they still do it now, but they used to have some real good salads. The best pizza in town, X-Lines. Now, I don't know about they the best pizza in town, but the salads were delicious. And the pizza's good. Now, don't get me wrong, the pizza is good. You know, but I'm like saying I don't know if that's the best because I ain't had every pizza in town, you know. And I hadn't had X-Lines in years either. Yeah, somebody was talking about, this lady on TikTok was talking about how she loves Subway tuna. And man, there's a Subway over here too. Y'all know I'm a Subway tuna fan. Yeah, and I done had other ones, but I was like her. And they sending her all over the world to try different tuna spots. And she's like, ain't nothing like the Subway, you know. And so people talking about, you ain't eating real tuna. You know how folks do. They take something and run with it. That's tuna, y'all. That's the Subway sell. Okay, calm you down. It's real tuna, okay? People can take a rumor and just lose their mind and go crazy with it sometimes. It made me want, she was just chomping on it. And she had one yesterday from, y'all know I like Jersey Mike's. Then somebody was telling her Jimmy John's, go there and get the tuna. Go there and get the tuna. I don't know what it is, but it's the combination. And I done had tuna at Lenny's. And I don't know what it is, y'all. It's that, I don't know. I don't know if it's the combination of the tuna or the toppings. But it just be delicious. Are they giving gas away over here? All the pumps gone and taken up. Let me go over here on the other side. Maybe I can get in where I fit in. All the pumps gone. I got to get, oh, here it is. Here it is. Look at God. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? Let me get out of here and get some gas. No incidents. Got my keys. Ain't nothing else in here but an empty lunch bag. I filled this baby up. Gas was $2.99, right? But I had 30 cents off. So, yeah, we gonna fill up this bad boy. Because you know I can't stand coming to the gas station. But hey. Y'all, this wind ain't no joke. It's cutting us, sister. Cut. Everybody getting them a new car. Okay, get your new car in, sweetie. She got her auto. Something good. Tell me that you love me. Turn back around. That wind ain't no joke. We had $32. We can go quick. Well, y'all, I done made it home, thankfully. It's like 2 o'clock now. I finished at the doctor faster than I thought. But I did stop, y'all, the Mega Million. I got me a Mega. I stopped to get me a Mega Ball. It's up to 893 million. So I said, what the heck? I might well stop and give me one. I got to be in it to win it. They can give me a piece of it. I don't need it all. I ain't greedy. Y'all can share the wealth. Just in case you don't have one, I just want to remind you. But I'm going to get off here because I don't even know how long this going to be. I just been chitter-chatting the whole time here and there. I got gas on me, so I'm going to go home and take this stuff off and throw it in the washing machine because the gas smell about to drive me to drink. Anyway, you know you're loved. I love you, but God truly loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. Love y'all. Bye.